guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, it's the first one of 2022. I mean, look at this, guys. Hold on. We've pimped up the office a little bit. I've even got my own little cabinet. Chloe actually got me this beautiful The Other Stuff sign, so thanks, Chloe. This is the one. This is the one that we've all been working for. Play the drum roll, please. And look at that, guys. Look, this is what we achieved together as a union. Look at this, the silver play button from you. There is actually a modification that I have had in my possession for over like 2 months now. And that is this box right here. Oh God, something fell down. Inside this box is some new Scirocco R style side skirts. Look at them. Hold on, let's get one out. There it is. Oh shit, I've just hit the wall. I'm not very good at this. So here is actually the side skirt. See, it is black. So that won't go onto my car. It won't match with my purple car because I have a purple car.
Now then, on my car, if I pop a picture up right now. Oh God, no, that's the wrong picture. The next one. Not that one, the next one. The fucking next one. The next one. The next one. Oh, for fuck's sake, the picture of the car. There you go, finally. There is actually 2 plastic pieces on the side of my car. One on the door and one on the back of the door, which isn't actually the door, you know what I mean? The back skirt. I don't know, just go with it. But these 2 plastic pieces basically mean basic bitch base model spec, which we can't be having.
So basically what this is, it will actually remove, or it won't remove it, but it will disguise it. We are actually heading to a body shop tomorrow morning and we are getting this painted to match the colour of my purple Scirocco. I'm honestly so gassed. I haven't done anything to the Scirocco for ages. This is going to look so sexy. I'm going to turn into a bloody female. Look at this. Jeez. Look at this. Pretty much, we got the CORSA convoy behind us because we're getting a lift back. Basically, we're going to leave the car there today. Hopefully, it's get done today. But either way, I get my car back and it's going to be looking fresh as fuck. I should ask him to paint a decal on the side saying fresh.
We've had to take out the box.
Oh yeah, we have. Because the box was too big.
Massive.
I literally would not be able to see out the left side.
No.
Probably won't film it, we'll just drop the car off and then come home. And then film the results when it's done. Pow! Right there. Me and Chloe's just dropped the car off. Look at this, look at this. This is like EZEC on fucking Uber.
This is nice,
Jeez. Hi, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thanks, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Come on, Mama, baby. My mum's certified. Come on, you fat plum. Move. Get out of the way. Ah! You know what I mean? I buy this girl a car. I buy her everything she needs for the car. Buy her petrol. Buy her insurance. This is how I'm treating you. Guys, don't treat your fucking girlfriends. It's a joke. That's quite cute.
That's fucking lovely, that is.
And just like that, we're heading out again. The 3 Musketeers, eh? Jesus Christ.
I'm on a box like when a back road lager, fully paid bro on my inner.
So we've actually made it down to Southam Bodies and they've done the side skirts. It's a little bit tight down here, but look at this. Look, they're colour matched the car. This bit, yeah. What'd you say? Yeah, sick, innit? said it was a really big job to do. That looks insane to be fair.
I still can't figure out what bit they.
Oh my.
I literally cannot figure out what bit they've took off.
So they removed, let me show you. They removed this piece, hold on Steve. So that piece was on the side.
Oh no, this whole thing is a new fit.
Yeah. Honestly, this girl's doing my head in. Guys, I've also got to say a big thank you to them because I think they cleaned the car, you know. It came in dirty and it's now really clean, so lovely. God, I don't even have to clean it anymore. Go on, an old lady. My God, guys, how good it is to have my car back. Like, I didn't go too long without having my car, but it's too long when it's like a day. Like, you can't do your own things. But big shout out to Southam Bodies for doing this. I obviously paid for it. They did a banging job, so I'm happy. I'm happy. Jeez. And this is the reason why we spend so much money on our cars, guys. Fucking hell. That wasn't even full throttle, mate. That was literally just like...
I don't give a shit what it was.
We're in Mexico, guys.
Right, of course, we're in Mexico.
Right now, you can't really tell a difference, but it does look a lot more sporty. Just a little modification just to like improve the car a little bit. Super happy. And I have cleaned the car as well, which I'm so gassed about. No more plastic pieces, no more base model spec Scirocco. Bitch, we're going R-line, baby. What's wrong with this girl, man? And honestly, guys, the owner there, Greg, I think it is, super sick guy as well. He owns loads of different cars. I was talking to him. Porsches, like Jesus Christ. This guy's talking to me about like these crazy Porsches, like it's like a Scirocco or something. It's crazy. We will definitely be back down again. Maybe when we have a nicer car. Or we need some more bodywork doing. Okay, alright then guys, so up next, we've actually got another modification for the side skirts. And I think we all know what it is. Again, I've had this modification sitting in my house for like 2 months. It's ridiculous. Just quickly, I've got to brush my teeth because I haven't brushed my teeth yet. Okay, now I should be a fountain in my next life. Right, we're all good to go. Right then, in the corner, right down here, we've actually got these 2 plastic things right here. And they are demolished. Look at these. Oh, blood, there's carnage in here. These are actually MAXTON design side skirts to go on my car. They don't actually fit on my car. So I actually chopped it in half to make it fit on the car like a couple months ago. I tried screwing these in, but they won't go in. So we're actually gonna have to tiger seal it today, which isn't the most safest option, but it holds very well. I've got stuff tiger sealed onto this car already, and it holds like a bloody charm. Here's the before, and then we're gonna get these on.
So I then layered up the tiger seal onto the side skirt, and I did not ration this shit. I used the whole 330 milliliters on each side skirt so that it would hold. I then used the trolley jack to hold the front of the side skirt extension on, and then I just held it up at the back with my hands and pushed it up. Not the most professional way of doing it, but it worked.
Right, so the side skirt is now all on, and I'm just letting it cure. So let's shut this garage up and then come back in a little bit. Woo! Right, so we've actually just pulled up to this very muddy bit right here. Look at this. It literally looks like a poo. Chloe doesn't want to get out. Oh my god, look at the tyres. It's orange. Come on. You got to film for me, mate. I just bought you a Costa. And while we wait for Chloe to build up her motivation to get out, here is the car right now. Oh, she fucking blocked the door. Insert the clip right here. We parked up at Costa, and I saw it, and I was like, oh, like, you look like you've actually.
My shoes are gonna be ruined.
Jesus. Anyway, look at that. Shut up, man. I'm trying to fucking.
It's not muddy to stand. It's not like a non-muddy path.
It's crazy. It's a weird texture. Oh, we man, shut up. What?
You look like I got fat diarrhea on.
I know. So the two things combined, they've absolutely changed it. Look.
Oh my god, look at that.
With these MAXTON design side skirts, you can see how much of a shit job I've done. But they are tiger sealed on, and look at that. Barely any wiggle. I mean, a little bit wiggle, but that's not going nowhere unless somebody like Chloe steps on it. You know what I mean? Because you're a clumsy bastard. We've got big things coming soon for it. We've got the new DKU Performance exhaust. They are currently designing. She's excited. Chloe's excited. Come here. They're currently designing an exhaust system that is going to be crazy for this car.
I'm excited for the DKU exhaust.
I know. I love the guys down there. So.
Yeah. I'm well excited. I can't wait.
But it's not like they're just designing like an exhaust like this. They are. We're probably going to get rid of this diffuser that I look so hard for.
Yeah, I said this to Mark the other day. I go, you spend so long looking for this diffuser and you're just going to get rid of it after
Literally.
however long. I don't know how long you've had it, but
I might actually have to tell them to keep this and we can do a giveaway of it if someone who has a Scirocco. But yeah, they're planning on, I think, getting rid of this diffuser and then doing some crazy design.
I'm really excited.
Back box delete, so it's going to be loud. Lovely jubbly. But that is coming the 17th of January or sometime around then. So, oh, that looks sick though. I'm in fucking love. Jeez, Chloe, seriously. Can you imagine? We were here the first day we picked it up.
Oh my god, we were!
And look at it now.
The second day or something like that. I remember because we got pictures when we were first.
Yeah, the first day, and now we've got all this stuff.
Piling paper, got them talking nice to me. Down a bottle, it be going right through me. Brown baby, down to take a flight to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Piling paper, got them talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me. City on my back and it feel light to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me.
I think this car's definitely coming together. Like, finding parts for this specific facelift Scirocco is a pain. They do loads of modification for the pre-facelift, but for some reason they don't make a lot of modification for the facelift one. Let me know what you guys think about all these side skirt things. You know, pretty damn happy with it. Probably gonna we'll spin off, and then I don't know. We're just gonna end the video.
I'm not getting out the fucking car to film your thing.
Can I drop you off there? No, come on, please.
Fam, this is a joke.
I know, please.
You literally go to me before we go. You go, yeah, you don't have to get out of the car. I'm not gonna thing. What the fuck?
Please, look, the viewers love you.
I don't care.
Come on, they won't like you.
Yes, they will. Because I'm lovely. That was well fucking loud. I'm still mad though that I had to get out of the car. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's muddy, it's cold, I was comfy. But that was fucking loud.